How to fix Roblox Error Code 272. You want to open up your computer's search engine and search for run. Click on it, and then this is what we type right here. Percentage local app data percentage. So percentage local app data and another percentage sign. So after you have typed this, we can click on OK. It will load up a new folder. And here we have to search for the temp folder. So I'm going to click on any folder, type T, and we're able to find the temp folder. So open this up. Now here I'm going to click on any folder once more, and I'm going to type R so we can locate the Roblox folder. And what we want to do is right click on it and delete it. So this will delete your temporary Roblox files, which aren't really important. You will gain them back. So after you have deleted this, then what you can try doing is starting the game up. If it still doesn't work for you, the second fix is opening up your computer search engine once more, searching for Microsoft Store, and opening up the application. So from here, just let it load up. You want to search for apps, games, movies, and more. You want to search for Roblox, press enter, and you will see the Roblox application right here at the very top. So if we select it, you will see an option to get Roblox right here. So you want to install it. For me, I already have it installed. So if I click on play, now you will no longer get error 272 in Roblox if you try to play. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.